Hi, my name is Emily Milan and I'm staff librarian at Brooks Free Library in Harwich. A big part of my job is working with technology, both in the library and helping patrons inside and outside the library with different technology questions. So today is the first installment of a little technology talk that we'll be doing on Channel 18, and today we're covering iOS devices. iOS devices are Apple products like the iPad and the iPhone. We get a lot of questions about these at the library. So today I'm just going to walk you through a quick overview of an iPad. I'll show you all of the buttons, what they do, the screen and the different things that you can do with the screen, as well as we'll talk about some of the apps that come loaded on the iPad. So I have here an iPad. This iPad belongs to the library and we use it in our trainings and talks. At the top, on the back, you'll see a little button here. This button actually is responsible for turning the screen on and off. So if we give it a quick click, we'll see it puts the screen to sleep. This is similar to the screensaver program on your laptop or desktop. When you walk away from the screen, it'll go black. If you wiggle the mouse, it wakes it back up. So this button here at the top does the same thing. If we give it another quick click, it'll turn the screen back on. On the side of the device, here on the long side, we have a button that flips back and forth that acts as a mute button so you can turn the sound off, and a volume button that turns the volume up and down. Here at the bottom is the home button. Wherever you go on the device, if you open an app, you can press the home button to return to the home screen. The home screen has all of the apps that are loaded onto the device. The Apple products, like the iPad and the iPhone, come with a lot of really useful apps loaded on them already. An app is a small piece of software that performs a specific function. Like Safari is the app that allows you to browse the internet, or there's a mail app that allows you to check your email. Also included on the iOS devices is a messaging app. The messaging app allows you to send text messages or written messages back and forth between iOS devices like iPads and iPhones. There's also a camera, which is a great function of the iPads and the iPhones. It's a really high quality digital camera. It's nice because you have it at your fingertips pretty much wherever you go as long as you have your device. There's also a map function. The map uses the internet to search for directions to a location or to give you a map of the area that you're in just to show you what's nearby. There's also a calendar, which we use a lot at the library as we're scheduling a lot of things. You can set the calendar up to send you reminders when you have a doctor's appointment or some other appointment scheduled. There's also a notes function, which is like a little notepad built into your device. You can start a new note to write a Christmas list or a shopping list. You can add to it, whenever you'd like. There's also the iTunes Store, which a lot of people who have Apple devices are very familiar with. The iTunes Store is where you purchase and download music, and also videos, other things as well. And then there's the App Store. The App Store gives you access to a wide range of apps, everything from games to productivity apps that allow you to keep to-do lists or other calendar functions. And then we also have music, which is where you store your music, videos, where you store your videos that you've downloaded from iTunes, and Safari, which, as I mentioned before, is the web browser. That's what allows you access to the internet. Using Safari, you can search Google, you can type in a web address and go directly to a website. On our iPad here, we also have the Clams app, which allows access to our Clams catalog so that you can search for books and videos, things that you'd like to see if the library owns so that you can put in a request or come in and pick it up. We get asked a lot of questions about the iPad, questions like how to connect to wireless at home. And most of these functions are in the settings menu. So the library teaches a class, and the next class is coming up on Thursday, October the 23rd from 6 to 8. It's called iOS for Beginners. In this class, we'll review some of the things that we've discussed here in this Tech Talk, and then we'll go on to explore the settings menu, to look at Safari and learn how to browse the internet using that. Safari is great because you can bookmark your favorite websites so that you can quickly have access to the ones that you visit frequently. We'll also discuss a little bit about the Mail app and how to send and receive email using that. If you're interested in signing up for the iOS for Beginners class, you can call the library at 508-430-7562, and you can reach me at extension 4, or you can email me at emilan, M-I-L-A-N, @clamsnet.org. If you have any questions about our classes or any questions about your device, feel free to call the library, or you can stop in on Wednesday evenings between 5:30 and 6:30 for our device advice program. Look forward to our next Tech Talk. Thank you.